Hello my friends, welcome back in my channel, and I'm here with my new episodes about my best sellers from images and video footage sale in July 2021. I hope so you will enjoy, and I believe I will motivate you with some ideas what you can do it in future and how you can improve your own sale. I will put some price information over some images to give you just idea how much money you can make, and I hope so this will help you. And I will start really right now with the bad company for me for this month. The company I don't sold nothing during July, and I will start with Pond 5, what I am really surprised, because Pond 5 is always selling something for me. No, I am not surprised from agency like Canva, Creative Market, Most Photos, Canstock, Pixta or AI Images. This company sometimes makes some small sales, but it's definitely nothing major. Other side, I am very happy with this month with Adobe, and the Alami would bring me, both these agencies bring me some money, and also the Shutterstock is working for me pretty well. As always, it was a mix between the editorial images and travel images, food images. It is really everything is possible to sell if you just find the right buyers. What is the hardest part, but if you grab somebody's attention, it's definitely big chance you can sell your images with stock agency, or even you can try sell by yourself, but it's definitely much harder way. I already saw some of my winter images from last year. It's starting to be selling, probably because the winter is coming, of course. And also I saw some Christmas images with holiday oriented, and some travel images, and of course editorial. What is funny, the best seller from Adobe, my footage, it's made by, not by mistake, but I just tested my new camera, and I just decide I will try sell this video footage, and I am really in shock because it was sold very fast, and it's online just probably maybe 2 weeks, and it's sold right away. But this sometimes happens, you know, the picture or footage you don't think it's saleable will sell pretty fast. The buyer is always looking for something different than photographer, and this is really the magic. If you find out what can work for some people who buy the images. I really don't travel too much this summer, but I am pretty busy with footage and even with photography. I did many new videos, and I upload, and I hope so this will be sold. This month is definitely better than previous months, than June 2021, and I hope so the sales will continue in August same way. I can already say from what I saw it's starting very well for me in August, and I just hope so stay this way for a whole month. This means the buyers start buying again, and the economy is returning back to normal. I hope so this will be the way, and everybody will be happy from what we do. Thank you for watching this episode, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, click on the like, and you have question, please just leave me a message under, or you can send me email. I will be really happy if I can respond.